All right, class, welcome in. So today's lecture, we have how to get unlimited chocolate cookies. This is a pretty important one, so make sure that
Dude.
you know the basics
What?
first.
Let's get out of here.
Dog, I already skipped this class like 4 times.
Who cares? Have you seen the current slide? What is this class even about?
We're just going over the basics today. Of course, we'll go more in-depth over the course of this semester.
I heard that you're right.
Okay. I got a plan. Just follow my lead, okay? Oh crap! I think I left my turkey in the fridge.
Oh, and my dog has Spanish lessons. We gotta go.
I thought Sam had a French poodle.
So, now that we skipped, what's the plan?
Oh, don't worry. I've got a plan.
Oh man, I don't have it in me.
Dude, no. What if it's something fun? Fine, I'll go.
Greetings!
Yo, who is it?
A group of friends I see. I have just the product you seek.
Now, what if I offered something that could change your life forever?
Sign me
Who
up.
are you?
For a very low, low price?
You too can be a hold of this ancient artifact.
But act fast. This offer won't last much longer. Be one of the first few to press a button.
But be warned.
Dude, what did you do?
I don't know. I just pressed the button.
The guy literally disappeared. There's no instructions or anything.
What if I...
What the hell just happened?
Dude, I think we skipped the rest of the day. It's already Friday.
I'm aware that the end of the semester is coming up.
A lot of you are worried about your grade in this course.
Wait, so what if I...
You have nothing to do with this, but my wife left me recently.
Wait, let me try that.
The Horse Verse. This is a new initiative.
Dude!
Oh, let's just skip that.
Wait. What if it's the guy?
Oh yeah, it probably is. Maybe we should just hear him out this time.
Yeah, don't worry. I got it.
Alright.
Greetings! I see you both have been enjoying the but heed this warning, for it will consume. Take this. And best of luck.
I like this dude.
Did he say warning?
I think it was just a cat.